Hi friends, welcome to srisai online training. In this video of core Java programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: hash table class with enumeration cursor in Java collections framework. So first of all, we'll understand what are collections framework in Java. So coming to collections, what is Java collection? So collection means collection of objects or group of objects as a single unit or single object in Java program. Then what is framework? So framework means it is a library which is provided by Java to work with collection of objects in Java collections framework. So this library is provided to us in the form of java.util package. So in this package, we have different classes, interfaces, and its methods using which we can work with Java collection of objects. So here in collections framework, we have collection interface, which is a top level interface or base interface for different collection classes and interfaces. So under this collection interface, we have four popular collections. First one, list collection. Second one, set collection. Third one, queue collection. And fourth one, map collection. So here, list, set, queue. These are inherited from collection interface, but map interface is not inherited from collection interface, but still it is part of collections framework. So coming to some technical points, so collections is only for objects but not primitive data types. If we store any primitive data type value also, internally it will be stored in the form of object only. And next thing, in collections, every data is stored in the form of object itself. And to be more specifically, it will be stored in the form of object class, object format, where object class is a superclass for all the classes in Java programming. So now coming to hash table class with enumeration cursor. First of all, hash table class is available in java.util package, and this class, it is inherited from map interface and dictionary abstract class. And next, map interface is not inherited from collection interface, but still it is part of Java collections framework. So if you see the description of hash table class, it goes like this. Open the command prompt and issue the command java p-p java.util.hashtable. So hashtable class is inherited from dictionary class, and then it also implements java.util.map interface. And then hash table classes clonable as well as serializable. So we can use clone method to create a duplicate hash table, and serializable means it can participate in serialization and deserialization, and its most of the methods are synchronized. So it is a legacy class. So legacy class means a class which is clonable, serializable, and methods are synchronized. So now coming to some technical points related to the hash table. So hash table, it is a collection of objects which stores the data in the form of key value pairs. Example goes like this: key 1 value 1, comma key 2 value 2, comma key 3 value 3. And here all keys are unique and values can be duplicated. Its initial default capacity is 11 and its initial default load factor is 0.75, which is 3 by 4. And this load factor decides the capacity of the hash table. For example, initial capacity is 11, 11 into 3 by 4, which is 8. So when we add the 8th object automatically the capacity will become double. 11 plus 11, which is 22. And here in hash table we don't have indexes to the collection of objects, and order of objects is not preserved in hash table, and then it does not accept null values. It means either null key or null value is not accepted, otherwise we'll get a null pointer exception. And next, it represents hash table data structure in reality. So coming to the constructors and methods, so it goes like this. If we see the description of the class, so go to the command prompt and issue the command. So here we are going to use a default constructor with initial capacity of 11 and load factor 0.75, and then we are going to use put method to insert a key value pair into the hash table, and then we are going to use keys method on hash table whose return type is Enumeration-cursor of java.util package, and elements method whose return type is Enumeration-cursor on values of java.util package. So here these are the important methods: keys, elements whose return type is Enumeration-cursor. Now here Enumeration-cursor, it is an interface available in java.util package. So it is a unidirectional cursor. It will traverse to access the objects of a hash table collection from top to bottom. So it is a cursor or pointer or reference to access objects, keys, values separately of hash table collection linearly from top to bottom or first to last. So if you see the description of Enumeration-cursor, java p -p java.util.enumeration. So using its methods. So what are those methods? We'll see in the description of the enumeration interface. So if we see the description of enumeration interface, it goes like this. So here we have hasMoreElements, which will check for the existence of next key or next value. It will check whether next key or next value is available or not, and then returns true or false. If it is available, we are going to access that next key or next value from the hash table cursor using nextElement method. So these are the two important methods to access the keys or values of a hash table collection. But before that, we have to apply keys to get Enumeration-cursor on keys, elements to get Enumeration-cursor on values. So it is like a pointer to keys or values separately. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Hashtable-class example4.java. So take a new page. First we'll write the comments. Program to demo hashtable-class keys or values with Enumeration-cursor. Import java.util package. Take the main class with main method and save the program as hashtable-class example4.java in your working directory. So first we'll create an object of hashtable. ht is equals to new hashtable. So here we are adding integer comma string objects, but internally it will be stored in the form of object class object format only. So put 10 Java, 1 Oracle, 11 .NET, 9 Python, 3 HTML, and print hash table order is not preserved, size 5 is empty, false. So first we'll execute till here, put a comment for the remaining two cases. Right. So save the program, come to the command prompt, and then compile the program hash table example4.java. No error, and run it. So 10 Java, 9 Python, 3 HTML, 1 Oracle, 11 .NET. Order is not preserved, size is 5, and then is empty, false. Right, so now let us try to apply keys element. So keys method on hash table collection, and then apply enumeration cursor. So on hash table we are applying keys. So when we apply this keys, we'll get a cursor or reference or pointer to the set of keys. And initially that enumeration cursor, what we are taking, E1, will be pointing before the first key, and then check while E1 dot has more elements whether first key exists or not. True. If it is true, access that first key. E1 dot next element. So keys are integers, convert that into integer, store that in X, and print X. Similarly, E1 dot has more elements, second key, third key, fourth key, fifth key. When there are no keys, automatically it will come out of the while loop. So save this, recompile, and run. So these are the keys: 10, 9, 3, 1, 11. So has more elements, next element, has more element, next element, has more element, next element, has more elements, next element, has more element, next element, has more elements. After 11 we don't have any key, come out of the while loop. Similarly for values. So to get enumeration cursor on values, we have to use elements method. So hash table dot elements method, whose return type is enumeration cursor. We are taking a reference variable E2. So similarly, E2 dot has more elements. If it is available, access the value using E2 dot next element, convert that into string, and store that in string ss, and print string ss. So save this, recompile, and run. So we got the values: Java, next Python, next value HTML, next value Oracle, and then next value .NET. So after .NET, has more elements? No, automatically come out of the while loop. So this is how we are supposed to work with enumeration cursor using keys elements method on hash table collection. So that is what is all about hash table collection with enumeration cursor in Java collections framework. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.